Doing this for you. Yes, you. Going to Pure Aloha. I'm going to test out this sunscreen right here. Yes, Alba Botanicals. Reminds me totally of Hawaii.
So Honey Girl's going to show us a really quick version of the Tahitian dance. Just, see? Just like this. But you have to close your legs, Christina.
What do you mean close my legs?
There you go.
Up. I'm going like up? Yeah, like circle. Up. Okay, now go fast.
I'm exposing myself to the sun for you guys, and I'm going to show you Pure Aloha in Las Vegas. The sun is ridiculously hot, ridiculously strong. Jody and I are going to the Hawaiian Festival. Is it hot today?
It's very hot today.
Is the sun very strong?
Sun is very, very strong.
So we're going to spray Jody as well, and myself. And I picked the kids because kids' sunscreen is typically stronger than adults. If you didn't know that. Actually, it wears longer. So we're going to spray Jody right now, and she's going to spray me. Ready, Jody?
Yeah.
Ready? Close your eyes. Here we go. We're going to spray heavy because we don't want nothing burning. Turn around. It's nice and cold, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It leaves a nice little sheen on your...
It's
we're gonna get
like
it.
refreshing.
Right? Your feet. So a lot of people miss their feet.
Oh yeah, that's right. Because got salt in my ankles. But anyway,
We want to see if this stuff works
Yeah.
well. And then your arms.
yeah. Okay.
Let me get the inside of your arm. Oh, Eric already sprayed me, but I'm going to get double sprayed because I always burn. Take the hat off.
Do I need to talk?
No, you just spray.
Okay.
Ooh, it is nice and chilly.
Yep. Other arm. Okay. Legs.
Now we're going to spray on top of all of my makeup because I know I'm going to burn.
Ready? That good?
I got to wait till I open my eyes. Look at it, how it glistens in the sun. It almost,
look, it does.
Look at this. It's almost like
Yeah.
it's oil based. Look at that.
Yeah,
Isn't that
it
awesome?
does.
Yeah, so we look nice and youthful.
Yes.
Resist a fresh coconut. Look at that, young coconut. And when I'm done, I'm going to take it back and they're going to cut it open so I can eat the meat.
Over there in the middle. Right here we got Boeing, right here to my right, to your left. We got Heineken Light. We got Tito's. We got Fireball, Brown, whatever you have there is all for you, okay? All right, the more you drink the devil shall sometimes even the better we're look. Thank you so much for coming on
That if you wear the plumeria, the flower on one side, you're single.
I'm single. If I have it on this side, I'm taken.
I'll put her phone number down below if you guys want to hit her up.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, the younger, that's the younger.
What are they called?
Honus.
Honus.
Let's go look at the honus.
Let's go look at the honus. They're good luck.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Hi. Cute, yeah? Fine, thank you. Beautiful.
Those are hand-carved jade.
Oh, they're jade.
Yes.
Wow.
The bigger ones are 50 each, and the smaller ones are 25.
I
And
collect.
everything includes tax.
Remind me of like
I collect
dream
honus.
catchers.
But I go normally with koa. I've never had with the jade, but
Oh,
I'm gonna go in and make my way back. I don't
We
want
will
to
be
camera
here.
shit. I want my hands free.
Oh, look, the sage.
Oh, is that what that is?
This is in a Mexican culture as well. This is sage. You burn it
Yeah.
in the house.
Can't
and
do
it
that
gets,
'cause-
it gets rid of evil
Yeah,
spirits.
Sean's allergic to sage. I've always wanted to sage.
That's so cool. Really cool stuff. Another puno.
Yep.
Looks like an ashtray.
I think maybe for jewelry.
Okay, okay.
And bracelets.
Okay.
This is just my regular name, Jody, but other than that, it would say Vainani, which is my Hawaiian name.
So a Hawaiian bracelet.
Yeah.
This is the design. of it.
Plumerias,
Okay.
you know, and then
That's
this
what
is
you have
bamboo.
that's what you have in your hair. Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Bamboo.
So that's what you have in your hair.
Yeah.
See how sweaty I am? Look at Jody. She's like dripping with sweat. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at her chest, how red it is. Look at that.
So I guess that sunscreen didn't work.
The sunscreen did not work, and we've been here for
Hour and a half.
an hour and a half. Of course, Las Vegas is closer to the sun.
Right.
I mean, we're higher up elevation-wise, so our sun is extremely strong, right? But look, let me show you the inside of my thigh. Can you see this? Like, there's a line. White, red. My legs are red. Look at my, oh yeah, there you go. You can see, oh, look at that right there when you can see the difference. The inside versus...
Over here you have a red spot.
So as much as I love sorry, we just saw this gentleman who was on a what are those called? The power
Electric cars or
the
whatever.
yeah.
Nope.
But he's
Wheelchair?
going really fast on a sidewalk that's
But he's
elevated.
blind.
And he's blind because he has a stick. So we're like, are you not falling off? Anyways, more power to him. He can actually do that and be
Be safe and not fall over.
As much as I love coming here, today is very hot. A very, very bright sun. This is a great event to come to, especially
Yes.
if you want to learn the culture.
Right. October will be your better bet because we do it twice a year.
Oh, yes, October will be definitely for...
yeah, it'll be cooler.
Yeah.
But it still might be a little bit hot yet too, though, but not as hot as right now.
And normally there's like 100 times more people
Yeah,
here.
it's because I think it's too hot.
So you saw the video and how it was like a lot of open spaces, but everybody was under that ginormous tent getting the shade because it's that hot. But an hour and a half and we're burnt. Unfortunately, I'm going to give a thumbs down on this sunscreen. Yeah.
So am I.
Yeah.
So am I.
I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you, Jody, for being here. Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha. We ran into. You guys remember Honey Girl and Tracy? They were dancing. Oh, yeah.
We got you.
These
drummer,
and then
dancer.
and dancer. Exactly. You guys were awesome.
Thank you. Pick on your phone. Honey Girl's gonna show us a really quick version of the Tahitian dance. Just see how she.
Just like this.
But you have to close your legs, Christina.
What do you mean close my
There you go.
Up. I'm going like up. Yeah, like circle. Up. Okay, now go fast.
Sean.